Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. Comment down below, share. Now on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, so for this video I will be reviewing and trying on or applying these samples that I got from JessiCurl. Is that what it's called? Yeah, JessiCurl. I'll put a link down below in the description where you can get your samples. My shipping was $3.15, but I live in New York, so I don't know what your shipping would be. Might be free, might not be. And I got about 8 samples. You can get up to 10 samples, but I got 8 samples. So the ones I got were deep conditioning treatment, a cleansing cream for mild and moisturizing shampoo alternative, so it's a cold wash. I can't speak. Confident coils styling solution, defines touchably soft curls in all climates. The next is the Aloba, the Aloba Daily Conditioner. It's light, it's weightless moisture for fine hair. What's that? The next is Touche, extra moisturizing conditioner for daily conditioning for dry, thirsty curls. And I have that. As you can see, my hair is a little bit, I need some maintenance. And I have 3 left. The Gentle Lather shampoo, it's sulfate free, cleansing that won't weigh hair down. And then the Rock and Ringlets is a styling potion, encourage and enhance curls. And last but not least is the oil blend for softer hair. And then of course on the bottom, I'm not going to use this one because this one's leaking. The oil one leaks, so I have oil all over my hands and all over the rest of the samples. But it gives you instructions on how to apply it in the bottom. If you can see that. I don't have my glasses on because my 1-year-old decided to break my glasses once again, and this is the result. All moms out there know the struggle. So yes, I will be washing my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. I don't know if I'm gonna put a clip of it on the video, I'm not sure yet. And then once I finish conditioning, untangling, and using a deep conditioner, I'll come and we'll do the styling products. Then let my hair air dry. Because I air dry my hair, I do not blow dry or use diffusers. I just let it air dry, and then we'll see how my curls look afterward. So stay tuned for more. Okay guys, so I use the shampoo, which I use all of it. This was a massage into your scalp, finger comb lather through length of the hair and rinse well. Repeat if desired and follow your favorite JessiCurl conditioner. Then I use some of the conditioner. I didn't use a lot of it. The Touche says apply to wet hair, comb through, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes. Follow with your favorite styling products. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the deep conditioner. That's what it looks like. And then it says to apply to clean hair, wet, comb through, and let it settle for 30 to 60 minutes. Rinse and style as usual. So that's what we're going to do now. Rip that off. But first I'm going to section off my hair. I'm going to work on the back first. So I'm going to apply a generous amount into the back of my hair. I didn't like the conditioner that much. I felt like it didn't really make my hair soft like I'm normally used to. I guess because it was shea butter. And then comb it through. Then I'm going to put it in a high bun. See? Use my favorite kind of scrunchies. My cousin introduced me. I have hair all over my hands. My cousin introduced me to these. I love them. Then next, take a shower cap. Put it over. Then like I said, because I don't use a blow dryer, I air dry, so I'm gonna put a towel and I'm just gonna wrap my head like so. Whoop. And then I'm just gonna clip it in the back so it stays in place for 30 to 60 minutes. So then I'll come back and then we'll use the styling products, and then after that we'll let my hair air dry and see the end result. So yeah. Alright, so that's how my hair looks afterward. I have to say it smells good, but not like too strong. Although I think this is unscented, but it has a nice smell, very natural smell. Now it's time for these styling creams. I have 2 here, and then I have an oil. I'm contemplating if I should use. Alright, I'm not gonna use the oil. So it depends. Okay, do I want to define touchably soft curls in all climates, or would I like encourage and enhance curls? This looks like a cream that I can use in the future. Let's do this one. The Rockin' Ringlets Styling Potion encourages and enhances curls. Pour a quarter size puddle into the palm of your hand and rake through soaked hair. Scrunch to encourage curls, adding more as needed. Air dry or dry with a diffuser. Scrunch occurs after drying. Just scrunch it out. Alright, so we're gonna try this out. Which maybe I shouldn't have opened this one because it's like an oily one. Yeah, I use my teeth. So I'm gonna need to put this in like a Ziploc. Ah! It's like... Okay, well, that's more than a quarter size. I'll show you what my hand looks like. This puddle. Alright. Ah! Alright. I'm like afraid I'm gonna drop this on the floor. Alright, let's see. I get through my hair. It's probably not how you're supposed to do it, but alright, first we're gonna section off the hair. And it says to put a quarter size, and I did it before. And now, I can't follow instructions, guys. Again, do my hair. So yeah, so then just gonna let that air dry and see what the end result is. Stay tuned. As you can tell, this product really did wonders to my hair. It really redefined my curls and made my hair look amazing. I really liked JessiCurl. I've heard about them, but I've never really tried them. Again, I'll put a link down in the description down below so you can try it for yourself. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And like always, like and subscribe. Have a great day. And thanks for watching. Bye now.
Hi, it's nice to this is Joyce.
Say subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Wave bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say mwah. 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 Mwah.